I do a huge portfolio from start to finish of all my jobs. One thing we do here, we always do our nailing patterns on we redeck everything as part of our package. So we always redeck 4 inches on the seams, 6 in the field everywhere. I really love what I do, so I just like to take pictures of everything and show the straight rows. Gives the guys something to keep progressing at, and it looks really good in a portfolio. And sometimes we'll come in and do a job when a homeowner isn't home, and when we do the portfolio and show the different steps we do through the whole way, it kind of gives the homeowner like a sense of being part of the project, being there. It's also good for their equity and their resale value, especially for like anyone if they're coming to buy. Well, yeah, what did you do in the ridge fan? I heard there was supposed to be 3 inches cut. Is that done? Actually, it is. Scroll through a little Google link of the photo of this job, show them that we measured it out, and everything's to code. So it also gives us our guarantee on our warranty and just shows our craftsmanship. So I just like to do it in the end.
Thank you for watching. You can subscribe here to get our latest videos, and be sure to check out more of the best clips from Paradise Exteriors here. Thank you. Have a paradise day.